Let me ask you something. Are you waking up every morning, hitting snooze 5 times, and dragging yourself to a job that's draining the life out of you? You're not alone. The 9 to 5 is a slow death sentence in disguise. But what if I told you there's a real no BS way to escape it, starting right now in 2025? And no, this isn't about crypto scams or quitting your job tomorrow to follow your passion. I'm going to break down exactly how I'd escape the rat race this year, with a strategy that's realistic, repeatable, and most importantly, profitable. And if you stick around till the end, I'll give you the most underrated income source in Canada that almost nobody is talking about. Let's go. The reality. Why most people stay trapped. Here's the hard truth. Most people aren't lazy. They're just stuck in a system that was never built for freedom. Think about it. You trade 40+ hours a week for a fixed salary. You pay 30–40% of it in taxes. Then you spend the rest on bills, groceries, and just surviving until Friday. And by the time you want to escape, you've got no money, no time, and no energy left to do anything else. That's not financial freedom. That's a treadmill. So here's what I'd do differently in 2025. Phase 1. Build a cash flow machine. Your first goal isn't to get rich. It's to build a machine that pays you even when you sleep. And the easiest, fastest way to do that in 2025? Start a digital content system. That's what I'm doing right now with this YouTube channel. Here's the model. Pick a niche. Mine is Canadian finance. Create 1–2 videos per week using ChatGPT, Pictory, or Descript. Monetize with YouTube AdSense. Affiliate links. Wealthsimple, Credit Karma, Neo. Your own digital products. Even if you start with zero audience, this compounds. One video can make you $100 today, $1,000 next year, and keep growing forever. And here's the kicker. This model costs $0 to start. All you need is a laptop or phone AI tools. Most are free or cheap. And consistency, that's phase 1, digital leverage. But that's just the surface. Phase 2, multiply your money. Now you're making income without clocking in. What do you do with that cash? You don't flex. You don't blow it on a new car. You multiply it. Here's the exact Canadian-friendly path. Open a TFSA, tax-free savings account. Start investing into XEQ, all-in-one ETF. Bank stocks, like TD or BMO. REITs, for real estate exposure. Reinvest dividends, automate contributions weekly. Let's say you make an extra $1,000 a month from YouTube. Investing just $500 of that monthly into ETFs over 5 years can grow to over $40,000 plus tax-free. Just from your content side hustle. That's the freedom flywheel. But wait, here's where most people fall off. Phase 3. Buy back your time. Here's the final move. Once your content business plus investments are generating income, you outsource everything. Why? Because true freedom isn't just about money, it's about time. Here's what I'd outsource. Video editing, Fiverr, Upwork. Script writing, ChatGPT. Scheduling, virtual assistant or AI tools. Now your business runs with minimal effort. You've bought back 30–40 hours per week, and you never have to answer to a boss again. This is when you finally say, I'm done with the 9 to 5, I run my life now. But hold up, I promised you something even bigger. The most underrated passive income in Canada, here it is. Digital products for Canadians. Think TFSA, RRSP cheat sheets, printable budget planners, side hustle guides, Excel templates. You make them once, sell them forever. Use platforms like Gumroad or PayHip and plug them right into your YouTube videos. Here's a real example. A simple Canadian cash flow kit priced at $99.99. If just 100 people buy per month equals $1,000 passive income. No inventory, no ads, no problem. And you can sell globally too. So here's what I want you to remember. You don't need permission to escape. You don't need a fancy job title to win. You need a plan, a platform, and a purpose. If you're serious about escaping the 9 to 5 in 2025, hit that subscribe button. This channel is where I document every step of my journey. Wins, losses, lessons. And if you want my free toolkit to get started, it's in the description below. This is Financial Mo, and your freedom is closer than you think.